here, look at that. Look at what? Then look at banana. Banana what? Yeah, I'm gonna be a banana because I had to break off my hair. Stupid guy! Who the heck are you? That's easy. I'm an orange. No, not you. Yeah, and you're a peeler. Not a peeler. I'm a banana. Banana? Whoa, you're a dancer. No, you're not. Then why did you do the banana split? Shut up! That doesn't make sense! Yeah, he does. What about a banana split? Ugh. Not listening. Hey, banana. What? What is it? Are you an apple? No, they're apples. Listen, we have to fight off that guy for taking us out to eat us. One, because they're annoying to say we're not apples. And two, because we get knifed. I'm a banana, like those two. They're probably asleep. Hey, banana, what? And what? Huh? Whoa! Hey, banana! What? What is it? You're nude! You better not say I couldn't sing. You're huge and nude. Shut up! I'm a freaking banana! Not an apple, not a new giant, and I'm not in your type. Hey, banana! What? Mouth. Tried to worm. Hey, bear! Oh,